boys, I'm coming too. Can I play? I don't know who's who. Okay.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Just don't like hitting way the hell over there. I want to hit over here. Exactly. All right.
Chris is landing.
Who that is?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Come on, Twinkle Toes!
Whoa, Bob! Holy crap! Well, I had to avoid. Holy. There we go. Still going. Oh! Who did I take out? Who was that? Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Bastard! I heard that thing kind of bastard!
I gotcha! Don't take it personal. Get out of here! Ah! Okay, now we're too far away. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing nothing out there.
I ain't walking there.
What?
Sorry, Stevie gets off.
I don't think I can't catch it. This wind is weird today. Too far away! Get closer! Ah! Ah! Almost.
He brings a sword!
That's right. Hammer! Where's the hammer? We need a hammer. Huh.
That thing goes.
Oh, I didn't want to hit that prop. I gave it up. I don't want to hit that prop. I'm not hitting you out there, though. I do not want to walk.
Set up.
Get over here! Whoa! Whoa! What was that? Oh, okay, come on. I won't get you when you're hurt.
9, 8,
Oh, that was fun.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! I'm glad I brought it.
You always kind of throw it in the back of the truck, you know, it just kind of sits back there.
This is the second time I brought it in a couple months, so.
Alright.
This is the one that you can have the most fun with and not care.
Yep. Good catching.
Oh, there you got little bites out of my wing right there. Whoever was that, Bob? Oh, look at that! All my stuff is. No. Well, I'm here today, so I might have to take a couple myself. We shall see. I gotta fill in the foam later. Cool, that was fun.